Go ahead. She running?
This cobwebs.
She just needed a snort. So I was reading on the internet and I need to try to polarize the field on this generator. So they say take this off. Field. Put this on our negative. It's a positive ground car, I think. And we're just gonna touch it. Old starter gonna get a workout. No. I know this works. Watch, we'll discharge. Oops. Right there. 6 volts. So that didn't work. Alright, so I think I found our problem. Our field wire right here was not fully on the screw. So I re-secured that, and there was a piece of like cardboard piece right there that was off. When I went to go take this apart, that wire was barely touching. So we got that fixed. We'll get this back together, get it in the car, and see if it'll start charging. Well, after some deliberation, tearing apart generators, getting in over my head, this new generator, or this new voltage regulator, no good. I put that old one back on and charged the field on it, and it's charging. So when I had this replaced, because the old one, I put a new voltage regulator on it. I didn't fix it, so I bought a new generator. Well, it still hasn't charged correctly since I put the new generator on. So I just put the old 1970s voltage regulator back on and it worked. Kind of excited because it's the first time I've ever heard the horn in this car. I think that's right. Turn the lights on. I got discharge there. Yes, I know this whole car needs rewired, but we got tail lights. Hey bud, go hit the brake hard. Okay, we don't got brake lights. Let off. Push it hard. Oh, they're always on. Nice. Okay, let off.
I want to see.
Okay, go press them in. Okay, yep, they're good enough. Now we're done with that. We got this loose steering wheel we need to fix. We gotta get the horn fixed, see if we can get it going again. And someday I'd like to get radio working. Alright, so we got the column here. She's pretty loosey-goosey. Get you a better view on that. We got a bolt under there we gotta get tight. I'm trying to tighten it because it's loose. Now jiggle the, now jiggle it. Jiggle the steering wheel. Okay, see how much tighter it is?
Oh yeah, it's already even tighter.
We gotta feed this wire down through here. Rhett's gonna grab the camera. This goes right down in the middle of the steering shaft. There's no clock spring in this. So this will go right down in the shaft, and I'll have Rhett record where it comes out at. Keep pulling. That's good. Alright, so now we're gonna strip the end.
Okay, strip it.
We're gonna test it. So this is supposed to ground out to make the horn work. Okay. Well, we got her working.
That is so annoying.
Well, among the 100 other things that's wrong with this 80-year-old car, down there at the fuel pressure sending switch has been leaking oil pretty good. If you can see down there on the ground, it's got a nice little drip. So we're gonna attempt to get that popped off. Well, there she is. Here's our transmission. And back to our torque tube. Starter sits up there. Well, we can actually work on some things now. And our part that we need to fix. Alright, there's our leak. Oil pressure sending unit there. And I can tell too on these transmission shift points right here is leaking as well, but for now we're just gonna fix what we can and kind of go from there. But you know, it's pretty amazing. A lot of people are gonna hate this, but the wiring in this car, most of it's original. And yeah, it's probably a fire hazard, but you know, it will I carry a fire extinguisher, so we're fine. But I think those clutch pedals and brake is so cool. Well, it's one piece, kind of bends up, angles out, and it was nice those came off, screw right off. So pretty neat. Definitely some worn parts. Okay, check it out. That air's coming around that braze. Right there. So, I want to attempt to fix that. Well, I did some of the soldering off camera. I was getting really frustrated. I don't do this often, so it's not like sweat and pipe. Anyways, ended up having to go to the old Harbor Freight tip here with butane. In the process, trying to keep this sensor from getting too hot, and I think I got it too hot. But I just tested it, see if it's going to leak. It doesn't appear it's going to, but we'll give it a try and see if I destroyed the sensor or not. Put it in and see. Look at those great soldering joints. Nice. We got stuff going on here. We got wires up there. We're good there. We're clear here. Let's see if we got oil pressure. So, fire in the hole. Give her a little chokeage here. Ooh, she is not happy. Full choke. it still works. Oh, I don't know how. Look at that. Alright. Easy. I had that thing so hot it was spewing oil out of the deal. Let's see if she's leaking. Well, I don't see it leaking yet. Well, that's my first time actually soldering something besides pipe together. We'll see if it holds. There's our puddle down there from it. Got some bulbs that need replaced in here, but other than that, boys, I guess we're gonna leave her off. I am happy. I got a car that's not leaking oil, and it's charging, and we found more issues, but I mean, that's what you get for a 70-year-old, 80-year-old car. So I'll get this thing back together and start making my list of other things we gotta do, like fix the clutch linkage. We need to pull the torque tube out, so that means we need to pull the rear axle out and get it fixed because it's leaking. I'll get this back together and we'll go for a cruise and you guys can see it. Oh, look at the bumps. Whoa! Let's hope there's no nails. What do you think?
Good.
Rides better than Dad's pickup truck, don't it? Bumps.
This thing can go over a lot of bumps.
Now we're flexing her right now, aren't we?
Yep, we're flexing. Wow. Remember, we went into that very big building. Hotel. So, yeah, we gotta get it charging.